Welcome to the 2023 GMC Terrain Denali in white frost. This SUV is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Terrain, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, adjustment dial for the multi-stage hatch, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push to start ignition, dual zone climate control, button activated shifter, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Terrain, starting off with the 19-inch aluminum wheels paired up with Hankook Kinergy tires. Moving right along, chrome door handles with painted accents, paint matched mirrors with the LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, chrome grille with the red GMC badge in the center, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped, chrome Denali trim along the bottom of the doors, rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim as well. And around the back of the vehicle, chrome Terrain and all-wheel drive badge, red GMC badge, all in the GM multi-stage hatch. Heading back inside the Terrain, starting off with your back seats here. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down in the middle. Bose audio continues throughout the vehicle, and here in the center console we have the controls for your heated leather seats as well as 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Terrain Denali. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.